Hey, what's up, fellas? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to make more money, more money, and you want to help your wife and family to have a very awesome quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. So keep up. Okay, guys. Let's speak about best way to make money. As I told you guys, the best way for you to make money, it is for you to promote more. You know, you gotta promote more because what does it mean promoting more? It means that putting your product in front of your customer. You know, like this, you will give the opportunity to your customer to see your product, to analyze your product, and to buy your product. So this is a very good thing. But there is just one thing, you need to know which is the kind of who is the right customer, Gotta know who is the right customer. This is like, for example, uh, you know, I analyzed something that when I was in Africa, and I noticed that in Africa we had good artists, comic book artists, and painters as well, you know. Yeah, they are very good. And here in Europe, there is also painters and comic book artists, and they are very good. They are very good, And but one thing that I noticed, it is that how can I say, European artists they have the tendency to be more successful financially, make more money than African artists, And this thing used to bother me. I used to think, why would this thing happen, Then I used to think that European artists they were more talented than African artists, And then later I figured it out that it's totally not true, In matter of fact, African artists they are just as good as talented as European artists, But then why is that European artists they tend to be more successful financially than African artists, Then I realized, then I discovered that it has to do with marketing, because European artists they know how to market their product, They how can I say, when they create a product, a comic book or a paint, they don't just go and sell to anybody, What do they do is that they found, how can I say, they found a promoter, They found a promoter, somebody who can search for them, search for them the type of people that are interested in this kind of product, in this kind of product, so that they can have opportunity to see the product, analyze the product, and buy the product, They, how can I say, not only hire, they get into contact with people specialized only to find customers that can buy this particular product, And this is why they make a lot of cash. This is why they make a lot of cash because those customers, their mission, they come with the intention of only buy that particular product, But for African artists, it's very different. When they create a product, could be a comic book or a painting, a particular product, what do? They go out and they try to sell on the streets or to everybody, They do not have, how can I say, direct targets. And because they do not have a direct target and they sell to everybody, they think that everybody is gonna buy it, which is totally not true, Not everybody is gonna buy your product, you know. There is only specific persons that going to buy your product, but it's not everybody, you know. So your mission it is to, how can I say, to know who is the right customer and sell the product to the right customer, you know. Yeah, and this is what happened with African artists, you know. They go around, they sell to everybody, and what it happened, you know, almost nobody buys, you know, almost nobody buys because they sell randomly, you know, they sell to everybody instead of selling to a specific target, to a specific niche, you know, and that is the problem, you know. So you gotta understand one thing. When you have a product, you know, you need to know who are the right customers, you know. Once you know who are the right customers, then you can promote your product and you're gonna have the opportunity to sell. And selling that product is gonna be just much better. Okay, guys? Okay, so make sure that you have a target, you know. Target on Facebook, target on YouTube, target on Twitter. Okay, make sure that you target good your market. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, write your comments below. Let me know what you think about this video, and check the link below so that you can have opportunity to see this program that's gonna teach you how to make money online in a very effective way. Okay, and write your comments below and click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'll see you next video, buddy. Ciao.